Since its birth year of 1958, NASA has been exploring the cosmos. That is 65 years of discovering, creating, computing, testing. It is also failing, but getting back up again. And what else falls, but gets back up again? Little kids. What does this have to do with NASA? NASA is as curious as a little kid, as resilient, as creative. Children are also NASA's future. That is why we have set up the NASAHUNCH and ACT programs in order to help youngsters like yourselves to get involved at NASA. These are some of the options students from middle school to high school to post-secondary can immerse themselves in. Design and prototype, software, hardware, sewn flight articles, video and media, culinary, biomedical science, flight configuration, and ACT, which stands for Career Technical Education, are classes that focus on 21st century hands-on skills. They cover a wide range of courses, from finance and marketing to agriculture and hospitality and much more. Learn more at nasahunch.com and careertech.org today.